Very good morning, students. So today I am going to start for problem number 14. So here factory has 3 production department and 2 service departments. The overhead department distribution summary shows the following. Here is given 3 production department A, B, C and 2 service department D and E. Total overhead as per the primary distribution is given. 80,000 from department A and production department B is 60,000, C is 40,000, service department D is 20,000 and service department E is 15,000. The company decided to charge the service department cost on the basis of following percentage. So this is for the percentage, it is given in the problem. So this is the production department A, B, C, the service department D and E. So here is given A department 35% from D department and B 25% and C is 20% and E is 20% and department E A from the A 25%, from B 40% and from C 20% and from D 15%. Find out the total overhead for the production departments charging service department cost to the production department as under. So there is a two method they have asked, simultaneously equation method and repeated distribution method. Let's begin the start the problems. That is, first I want to start for the simultaneously equation method. Here first let us denote the total overhead cost of the service department D and let Y denote the total overhead cost of service department E. I will take for the D denote the X and E denote the Y. So first we have to take for the first step 1, total overhead cost of service department D. How much is the total overhead cost of service department is 20,000. Take it here 20,000. So X is equal to 20,000 plus here is given. So here is service department D is 15% of E. 15% of E. E means Y. 15% of Y. Then you have to write for the second Y is equal to 15,000. Overhead cost is 15,000. See that 15,000. Here 15,000 of plus 20% of D. D means X. Is it clear? So this is for the first step. Step 2. So now we have to simplify this equation. X is equal to 20,000 plus 15% means 15 divided by 100. It comes 0.15 Y. And Y is equal to 15,000 plus 20% of X. 20% means 20 divided by 100, 0.2x. Next, step 3. Now we have to take for the step 3. So first we have to find out X values or the whether Y values as your choice. So let us take for this two equation. I will take for the first equation, that is X is equal to 20,000 plus 0.1 Y. So now we have to simplify this equation. X is equal to 20 plus 0.115. Y means we have to write the Y values. See, Y values is 15,000 plus here 15,000 plus 0.2x. Write it here 15,000 plus 0.2x. So X is equal to 20,000 plus 0.115 into bracket. It means that you have to multiply this equation. So 0.15 into 15,000, it comes 2,250. Then so write it same plus 0.15 into 0.2x means 0.03x. Then X is equal to 20. Now we have to add this 20,000 plus 2,250. It comes 22,250 plus, as it is we have to write it here, plus 0.03x. Then here x denote the X means 1x. Write it here 1x. So this is for the x is equal to 22,250 plus, so here you have to write plus, we have to write it left hand side, it can be convert the plus, it can be converted into the minus, then it come minus 0.03 x is equal to 22,250. Then 1x minus 0.03 means 0.97 x is equal to 22,250. So then the x is equal to 22,250 divided by 0.95, it comes x value is equal to 22,938. So now we got the x values. Now let us start this fourth step. So we have to find out the y values. So here write it y values. We have to take the equation second, y is equal to 15,000 plus 0.2x. Write it here. So 15,000 plus 0.2x, y is equal to 15,000 plus 0.2x, x means x, you have to write the x values, 22,938. So then y is equal to 15,000 plus 0.2 into 22,938, it comes 45,876. Then the y value is 19,588. Got it? So now we got the x values as well as the y values. X means D and y means E. So now we have to reapportion to all the production department. So first we have to write for the ABC production department. So first take the total as per the primary distribution. So as per the primary distribution is given 80,000, 60,000 and 40,000. Only have to take for the production department 80,000, 60,000 and 40,000. Now we have to reapportion, that is apportion to all the production department from the service department. Now we got the x values. X value is equal to 22,938. We have to reapportion to as per the given percentage. Here is percentage is given 35% from A, 25% from B and 30% from C. So now we have to reapportion to all the production department. Then it comes 8,028, 5,734 and 5,588. Next, service department Y. Y means E values. What is the Y values? Is 19,588 as per the given percentage, that is 25% from A, 40% from B and 20% from C. So now we have to reapportion to all the production distribution. Apportion is distributed to all the production department, that is 4,897, 7,835 and 3,918. So now got now we have to find out all the totals. Then A department 92,925, B 73,569 and C is 48,506. So this is for the simultaneously equation method. So next we have to take for the second method, that is a repeated distribution method. So repeated distribution means until 0 we have to reapportion to the service department and the production department. So until become the 0. Is clear? So now we have to take for the overhead as per the primary distribution. It is given in the problem 80,000, 60,000, 40,000, 20,000 and 15,000. Now we have to reapportion to the production department as well as the other service department. Now we will take the first. So service department D is 20,000. So here is 20,000 as per have been reapportioned to the 3 production department and other service department with as per the given ratios. So now we have to take service department D as per the given ratio from the service department. So see that ratios is 35% from A, 25% from B and C 20% and E is 20%. Write it here. I will directly take the 20,000 into as per the given percentage it comes 7,000, 5,000, 4,000 and 4,000. Then come to the service department E. Totally service department is 19,000. Here 19,000 have been reapportioned to the all three production department as per the other service department, that is D, as per the given percentage. Then it comes 4,750, 7,600, 3,800 and 2,850. Now become E is 0. Then come to the then open the service department D. How much is 2,850? So here is, write it here, 2,850 reapportioned to the all three production department as well as the service department as per the given percentage, 998, 712, 570 and 570. Now we have to close the service department D. Then begin the service department E, 570. So 570 reapportioned to the all three production department as per the service department D as per the given percentage, or you have to take for the ratios is ratio 142, 228, 440 and 86. Then now begin for the service department D, minus 86, it comes 30, 22, 17 and 17. Then so now we have to close for the service department D and then begin the service department E, 17. So 17 we have to reapportion to the all three production department and other service department as per the given percentage, 4, 7, 3, 3. Then now again start the service department 3, D, 3 we have to reapportion to the all three production department 1, 2, 3. So now service department D is nil and service department E is nil. So now we all got the total from the production department A, B, C. A 92,925, B 73,570 and C 48,501. I think almost all the approximately output is same from the simultaneously equation method as well as the repeated distribution method. See that 92,925, here is the 92,925, then 73,569, 48,506, here is the same 73,570 and 48,505. Is it clear?